The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market decline of May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost forcefully tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some solidification, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 28 cents. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will carve out opportunity to recuperate from this ruin before it can turn productive. Algorand Value Forecast 2022. The ongoing cost of Algorand is 32 cents. According to our ALGO coin cost expectation, it is determined that the most extreme cost for the coin might be around 60 cents with a base cost of 20 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. When it is 2025, our ALGO expectation proposes that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of 90 cents. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around 50 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. Assuming that the ongoing energy proceeds in the ALGO crypto can get consideration, it might cross the $1 mark constantly 2030. Our Algorand conjecture shows that the 1.32 price might be $2 with a base cost of $1. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Macaulay and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and financial analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the state-of-the-art existence. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely versatile. Subsequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain framework with its agreement component, block validators, and make more youngster chains of its own. Algorand, the ALGO token. Algorand Organization's group has created interface libraries that will be a trailblazer. The organization likewise brought a one-of-a-kind token ALGO that is presently a significant hit at the famous trades coordinating speed with other cryptographic forms of money. Vantage ALGO, the huge potential. For installments, coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point in any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most reduced expenses. Algorand savvy agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, irreversibility, security, and cost adequacy. AS can consequently uphold custom guidelines and rationale, from just characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. AS are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and PyTeal, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand fortified gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal money by means of Algorand shrewd agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand, displaying the future Phi. The strength of Algorand lies in its system, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the ALGO token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi environment with Solana according to their declaration to give upgraded interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that merchants that are utilizing Sparkle can share their computerized tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Why is Algorand known as the Ethereum executioner? Ethereum will relocate from POW to POS, while Algorand utilizes the unadulterated evidence of stake component. This implies Algorand overwhelms concerning adaptability, and these variables will without a doubt help the Algorand cost rise. In any case, brokers ought to allude to Ethereum cost expectation and Algorand conjectures prior to going into any cryptographic forms of money. Most recent news on Algorand organization. A ton of the things in the crypto market rely upon the moving news and opinions of the dealers and financial backers. In this way, watching out for what's going on in the crypto world becomes fundamental. Algorand coin has seen a ton of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top associations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this organization, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the advanced resources procedure, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has likewise joined forces with Algorand to make blockchain framework. Another significant association is among Algorand and Symbol. With this coordination, Algorand will have a security cooperate with the BTP reconciliation. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more assorted and energetic. In addition to that, the aeronautics organization Air Europa has reported that it will team up with Algorand. Algorand blockchain will be utilized to mint Air Europa's NFTs. TravelX will likewise be important for this coordinated effort and assist with broadcasting Europa span the actual transportation world with the blockchain. This will make Air Europa the very first carrier to utilize blockchain for stock dispersion and the executives. And that is not the end. Algorand has held hands with a ton of other colossal foundations, like LimeWire, NJ, NY Gotham FC, HipJump Craftsman DMC, Symbol, and some more. Each of this shows the strength and solidness of the Algorand blockchain, and its reception will help the symbolic cost. The ongoing cost of Algorand weights around 32 cents with a market capitalization of $2,240,319,634 with a circling supply of $6,973,060,244 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change regardless. Sell Algorand at the opposition level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This system can assist financial backers with making a momentary benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost forecast, we should concentrate on the value history of the token. As per our drawn-out ALGO cost forecast, the Algorand cost could reach 5 cents. With a 5-year venture, your ongoing speculation might be degraded. The Algorand figure gauges the most extreme cost to hit 3 cents toward the finish of 2023 and 2 cents toward the start of 2024. ALGO cost expectation expresses that future costs would cross $4, and its return for capital invested rate will be around 1,080.9%. So with a 5-year HODL, it will merit wagering on Algorand digital currency. As per our Algorand cost forecast 2023, the token is anticipated to cross a normal cost of 46 cents before all else. The normal greatest cost of Algorand toward the finish of 2023 will be 47 cents, and the normal least cost will be 40 cents. According to the Algorand cost gauge, a decent pinnacle of 60 cents by December 2022 makes certain to scale. An aggressive bullish viewpoint for 2022 has been made by Goff Capital, a crypto cost expectation stage. As it claims 2022 will be an immaculate year for Algorand toward the year's end, it might contact the sign of $1.39. As per our ALGO cost forecast, the cost could reach as high as $10.19 in the following 5 years. As per our Algorand expectation, the token is entering an exceptionally cutthroat and merciless space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on regarded stages and is the brainchild of great tokens, a cost flood above 70 cents toward the finish of 2025 can positively be anticipated. Is Algorand a wise speculation? Indeed, Algorand is a wise speculation as long as possible. Notwithstanding, it is likewise important that you address any outstanding concerns prior to putting resources into any venture and see the estimate for cost. The Algorand conjecture uncovers the normal long-haul greatest cost might be around 90 cents by 2025. Where to purchase Algorand? At this moment, you can purchase ALGO at a lot of digital currency trades,